Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the 164 scale assortment for Case F of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 2019. Today is now the official video for Case F. I actually realized I have been naming these cases wrong. So basically when we had the 2018 first case of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks with Dairy Delivery, Bone Shaker, Tiger Shark, V8 Bomber, all those ones, that's actually Case A of both 2018 and 2019. So now technically we're supposed to be on Case D, but I guess we're going to call it Case F because there was two cases from 2018 which carried over into 2019 because there has been 4 cases. So technically, if we talk about only 2019, this is Case D, the 4th case of the year. But if we add the other 2 from 2018, then it technically becomes Case F. So I don't know. I'm going to call it Case F from now on, and then every other case will be named after that. So Case G, Case H, all that. So this is Case F of this year, the Bigfoot assortment. Everyone knows it for the Bigfoot assortment. I finally got this Bigfoot. Thank you to Mike Fan. He's one of my best friends in the community, and I appreciate that he actually picked an extra one up from his Walmart for me. I went to 3 different Walmarts. All of them had this case, but they never had a single Bigfoot. So that's unfortunate, but you know what? I still got it in the end, so it's okay. Although I did want to find one on the pigs, and maybe I will in the future, and I'll do a giveaway or something with it. But for now, Mike helped me get this, and thank you again, Mike, for all your help. I really appreciate it. So we're going to start here today actually with the Smash Squatch. I want to start with the Smash Squatch because I think we'll save the best for last, which is, of course, is the Bigfoot. So we're going to start here with Smash Squatch, and we're going to look at the back here. So this is the Case F assortment, the stats, so you can see the name is Smash Squatch. The truck type is SUV, the strength is gigantic feet, the crash attack is hairball stomp, and the motivation is to squash everything in sight. And here's your assortment for Case F, of course. Bigfoot, Sriracha, Smash Squatch, Tiger Shark, Roger Dodger, and Bone Shaker. These 2 are repeats. I will show you guys those later in this video, but we're going to start here with Smash Squatch first. So we're going to unbox it. Finally, I get to unbox this thing. I waited until I get all the new stuff in the case to open these, so it's been kind of a pain not opening up the new stuff, but you know what? It's all good. I'm going to open up Smash Squatch right now. So here we go. So here we go, the Smash Squatch. And it's getting dust all over my studio. Always happens. So there we go. This is not useful to us anymore. Here's the little insert. You can see there, Smash Squatch, 21 of 50. And of course, it comes with a red connecting crashed car. I don't really care for these, but there they are, or there it is. And here's the Smash Squatch. So basically, we have 2 Bigfoots in this case. We have the actual Bigfoot and this, which is based off Sasquatch. So we have this here. You can see here's the roof and the hood. So it's basically the Sasquatch character with his hand and his body, his face. You have some flies on him, of course, probably because he stinks. And you got the Smash Squatch logo up top. You do have a brown window. It's hard to see, but there is a brown window. I like that they use that in their coloring because, of course, his beard would be brown right here. So they did a great job matching the window color. We do have a green background, by the way. The background is green, and I believe, yeah, it's metallic paint. It's hard to see it, but you can kind of see the glitter in there. It is metallic green paint. And here's this side. You got the Smash Squatch logo, his foot here, so the Bigfoot, kind of a reference there, with some more flies. And the Hot Wheels logo is in brown and white, and you have the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo as well. Some hair going along the bottom here. No headlights, no grill, but you can see there's the green paint. And here's the back. You got Smash Squatch again with the Hot Wheels logo in brown and a little fly. And you have a brown roll cage and chrome rims. I'm not sure if I like the chrome rims or not. I think it's too flashy with the chrome rims. Maybe green beadlock with brown or tan rims would have been better for me, at least personally. So yeah, I don't think the chrome rims work with this one so well. But they did have chrome rims on here with the Smash Squatch, and of course the giant tire. And next up is the 6 Stuff number 4 of 5 Roger Dodger. This is number 20 of 50. And here it is. This is actually a pretty cool truck. I didn't really like this when I first saw it, but you can see here it's actually a pretty cool design. And here's the top of the card. The name is Roger Dodger, the truck type is muscle, the strength is flat out acceleration, the crash attack is full speed slam, and the motivation is to hit him head on. So this is the 3rd Roger Dodger we're seeing this year. We did see a purple and gold version as well as a blue and red version, I believe, in the past. I don't have those to show you here today, but I do have the actual 6 Stuff series trucks. So we have the original number 1, which is the Zombie Rex. Doesn't really match the green designs that they kind of went with, so they probably should have called it the Toxic series, because the Toxic series kind of carried on through the rest of the trucks. But you can see here Loco Punk, my favorite of the Sick Stuff series, and still is, right there. And the Hotweiler, Toxic Hotweiler, as they call it, the Toxic Hotweiler in the Tournament of Titans YouTube series on their channel. So I'm not sure why they didn't call it the Toxic series. But anyway, here's Toxic Hotweiler, here's the Toxic Loco Punk, and I guess just Sick Stuff Zombie Rex. There's no real green to it, but there it is. And of course, now we have the Sick Stuff Toxic Roger Dodger. So we're gonna unbox it right now. All right, so here it is, the Roger Dodger. Here's the insert, just in green, all the stuff that goes along with that, and an orange connecting crashed car. But we're focused on the Roger Dodger here. So here it is, pretty cool stuff. So let me zoom in so you guys can see all the micro details. So basically it's got a metallic underpaint, so they printed on a clear decal with the metallic paint in the background so it sparkles. I think the paint is a lime green, or it's kind of like a yellow. It's kind of hard to see it, but there it is. There's the biohazard symbol on the side, some caution tape kind of style with some kind of scratches and dents. Got the Hot Wheels logo, the Monster Trucks logo, and the headlights are biohazard symbols as well with a black grille. So there's actually grill printing on this truck. You can see it right there. I do like the green motor insert right here. That's pretty cool. And of course some more caution tape and also the kind of beat up look to it. A green window, biohazard symbol, more caution tape, and of course the black and gold kind of green Hot Wheels logo there as well with more of that style. And the taillights, there's nothing there, but you can see there's a little bit of green outline. It has a green edge glow roll cage with these highlighter yellow tires and of course the yellow rims. I still think that they should do green rims on the Sick Stuff series. Loco Punk had a great choice of charcoal black rims, and the Hotweiler had the same yellow rims as the Roger Dodger. Again, I think the green would have made it stand out much better. A little too much yellow going on here. You can see how a dark color really balanced out the green. And now we're gonna actually look at my favorite Hot Wheels monster truck so far of the entire series. Kind of, I guess you could say. I do like the V8 Bomber. That's one of my favorites, but this is also one of my favorites here. The Sriracha monster truck. So when I first saw this on the case card back when the Bigfoot case was released in Australia, I was really, really excited to find the Sriracha mainly. I do like Bigfoot, but this is definitely the main focus of the case right here for me. So you can see here's the Sriracha. If you guys don't know what this is actually the Sriracha hot sauce brand. It is a hot Thai chili sauce, so you guys can see those actually in your own stores. I'm sure you guys probably have them in your Walmarts or Targets, but this is awesome. They do make t-shirts and all, like wallets and phone cases of Sriracha, so to have a monster truck of Sriracha is pretty cool too. So let's take a look at the back. You can see here's the stats. You can see the name is Sriracha, the truck type is pickup, the strength is red hot fenders, the crash attack is spicy smash up, and the motivation is to fire up their taste buds. And here we go. We're gonna open up the Sriracha monster truck. Finally get to open that one up. I've been waiting a while to open that. I have to wait to get all the case stuff, so I was really impatient. I almost opened it up a couple times, but you know what, I held off. Here's the Sriracha logo, giant wheels, of course, in the green beadlock with the red rims, matches that. And that's it. So here's the connecting crash car, but no one cares about that. Here's the Sriracha truck itself. Definitely probably my favorite of the year. Great color choice. Obviously it's based off a Sriracha bottle, so you have to have a specific color, but I do like that they got the licensing and all the classic style of the actual chili sauce itself. It even has the location and the actual name of the company here and all that on the tailgate. And then of course you can see here's the other side. It says shake well. Again, they adapted the entire kind of Sriracha bottle wrap onto the truck, which I do like that they did that way. And the only thing I wish they would have done is made this fully white. It doesn't match up to the rest of the truck, so that's unfortunate. But they did match the Hot Wheels logo to be green along with the top of the bottle right here. And you can see, I'm not sure what that is, that little logo. Kind of looks like the Kmart logo, but I don't think it is. So I'm not sure what that is right there. But there is a Shake Well logo, the actual licensed brand with the rooster logo and stuff here. Natural color. There's a Hot Wheels logo. Sriracha hot chili sauce, of course an emerald green beadlock with a maroon inner rim, and of course the giant Hot Wheels tires. Here's the hood with a green, the name of the company, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to try, but you can see right there with the green. I think they should have done the white. I think it would have looked much better, just like the side panel, just to make it more authentic. But you know what, the green does not look that bad, but there it is right there. And it says since 1980. It does have a green window to match the green roof, which is really cool. The only thing I don't like about it, they did not print on the back here to match the green. It just becomes red, which is unfortunate, but I guess that's just how they do it. So there's the Sriracha monster truck. I do really like this one. Definitely a great choice for the brands that they're kind of going with. Hopefully we'll see other brands in the future. Maybe they'll get with the bigger brands. I don't think they will, but Coca-Cola would have been pretty cool to see. Dr. Pepper, all those things. But this is definitely a cool one. The Sriracha monster truck from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 2019. And finally, everyone's favorite, everyone's been waiting to see this one, I'm sure, the Bigfoot 1/64 scale. I have reviewed the 1/24 scale Bigfoot. Thank you to Driver's Ed for sending this in again. Eric, thank you so much. I do like this 1/24 scale. It's one of my favorites as well. I hope they make a Sriracha one, but this is the 1/24, this is the 1/64. They look exactly the same, so I'm not going to compare them, so that's the last time we're going to see this on screen. So the Bigfoot 4x4x4 in 1/24 scale, and now, of course, in the smaller scale, the more collectible scale, in my personal opinion, the 1/64 scale. So here's the back. The name is Bigfoot, the truck type is pickup, the strength is car-crushing shocks, the crash attack is original stomp, and the motivation is to always be groundbreaking. I think they should have changed around the words a little bit for these stats and made it say to always be original, but you know what, I don't do that, and I don't really make the stats for Mattel. So here we go, the Bigfoot 1/64 scale unboxing. All right, it's about time. We waited so long for this Bigfoot to finally be released. We saw so many hints at it, so many little sneak peeks of it, and finally it's out in the public. So the Bigfoot 1/64 scale with the original body style. Here's the Hot Wheels, or the Bigfoot, I should say. Little insert here with the truck, the logo, and of course 19 out of 50. And here it is, the Bigfoot 1/64 scale. I really do like this. I have to be honest, I actually like the 1/24 scale a little better, just because I think the tires match up better. It looks a little big on these tires, Bigfoot 5 kind of vibes there. But you can see here the Bigfoot. Let's zoom in. It's got, of course, that beautiful metallic blue paint. You got the gray stripe, the Bigfoot 4x4x4 logo, the actual truck kind of illustration cartoon there, the Firestone logo, Hot Wheels, Summit, Monster Trucks, the line across the side, Bob Chandler's name on the side, of course, right there. The windshield is inserted there with the side window kind of piece. That's pretty cool that they added that. And the carb right here, which is kind of awkward because it's not matching up with the motor, but oh well. Here's the Bigfoot logo on the front here, and of course the grill. They did not paint on the grill or print on it, which is unfortunate, but I think it's to avoid licensing costs, so that's probably why. And it is a plastic insert, by the way. This and this are one piece. And here's the other side. Some more stuff with the Bigfoot, white rims, good choice. And the tailgate with the Bigfoot logo, and of course the taillights and all that stuff there. And nothing on the roof. So overall, I love this truck. It's just a little bit inaccurate, but that's just because I guess licensing is kind of tough on it. Greenlight does have their own line of Bigfoots, which are pretty much 100% accurate as far as I know. I'm not sure 100% on that either, but they're definitely more detailed than this one is. But I do like that they released a Hot Wheels Bigfoot because now the public gets to enjoy the Hot Wheels style of Bigfoot. And this has taken a while to get to this point. I mean, we had to end Monster Jam's contract, and to get to this from 1992 to now, that's a long time. So this is kind of history in the making right here, and that was an awesome case, really solid case. I cannot wait to see what's next up. I really am looking forward to seeing Demo Derby later this year. Hopefully they will make that from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live circuit. But for now, this has been the Case F review, and I'm actually missing something before I sign out. A quick brief mention of the other trucks in this case, the Tiger Shark and the Bone Shaker. Two of the previous releases that we've seen a couple of times this year now. And also we have seen these in 2018, so Tiger Shark and Bone Shaker are no strangers to this circuit or this case lineup. So here's Bone Shaker, quick look at it, and here's Tiger Shark. So these two trucks and Bigfoot run on the real circuit, along with Hot Wheels Racing number 1, the V8 Bomber, and also the Demo Derby. So I hope they make Demo Derby, I really do. And until next time, that has been Case F, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 2019. Again, a solid case, and I look forward to seeing some more stuff from Hot Wheels soon. So let me know what you guys think about these trucks in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.